K-pop AI cover songs are everywhere right now, but most of them sound wrong. Either the vocals feel stiff, the emotion is missing, or the result feels more like a parody than K-pop. In this video, I will show you how to make AI cover songs in real K-pop style, not just K-pop looking content. We'll break down vocals, structure, delivery, and production details that most tutorials completely ignore. Before touching AI, you must understand the K-pop formula. K-pop isn't just a genre; it's a system. Clean, controlled vocals, emotional but restrained delivery, clear song sections, high contrast between verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Most tutorials treat K-pop like a regular pop with Korean lyrics. That's why their covers feel off. Next, not every song works as a K-pop. Best candidates: strong melodic hooks, clear chorus structure, emotional but not overly aggressive vocals. Avoid overly raspy singers, songs with messy phrasing, or songs that rely on raw imperfection. Beginner hack: Western pop ballads adapt surprisingly well to K-pop style. Next, prepare vocals for K-pop precision. So if you're using AI, right, and you don't want to use your sound, you can skip this step and just fill in this prompt. Create a K-pop style AI cover of this song, right? Without mentioning the name of the song, obviously. Use a bright, polished male or female vocal with smooth high notes. You can choose the gender. Clear pronunciation and emotional delivery. Tempo, medium fast, modern K-pop pop sound. Layered harmonies, catchy chorus, glossy production, generic or energetic but emotional vibe. Okay, so take this one out, right, and copy it. This is from ChatGPT, obviously, but you can change it to your own, right? Make a K-pop AI cover. Use a bright, polished male or female, that's on your choice, vocal with smooth high notes, clean pronunciation and emotional delivery, and all that stuff. Okay, now K-pop vocals are tight and controlled. When preparing vocals, clean timing is critical. Remove breath noise. Avoid heavy vibrato. Right? Key tip: if the vocal timing is sloppy, AI cannot fix it into K-pop quality. All right. Next, applying the AI voice with K-pop intent. When choosing or prompting the AI voice, aim for clarity, not power. Focus on smooth delivery. Avoid over-expressive settings. Use descriptions like clean, youthful vocal tone or controlled emotional delivery, polished pop vocal style. Okay, most people push realism too hard. K-pop vocals are polished, not raw. Okay, next, structuring the song like a real K-pop. True K-pop structure: calm verse, rising pre-chorus, explosive but clean chorus, dynamic second verse, short bridge, final chorus with energy lift. Simple hack: ask the AI to increase intensity only in final chorus, not everywhere. Next, language and pronunciation control. If working with Korean lyrics, keep lines short, avoid complex consonant clusters, right? Match syllable count exactly. If keeping English, use simple emotional phrasing, avoid slang, focus on melody-friendly words. Pro tip: K-pop English lyrics are often emotion first, not grammar first. Okay? Next, you're gonna mix the K-pop, make a mix for the K-pop sound. K-pop mixes are bright, clean, vocal forward. Adjust a slight high-end boost, tight compression, minimal reverb. That's if you are doing it on your own, like vocals, in your own sound. Beginner rule: if it sounds dramatic, it's probably too much. Okay, and that's how you create a real K-pop style song, AI style cover songs. Polished, emotional, and believable. If you want the next video on AI K-pop harmonies or group vocals, comment below and you already know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with a friend. And we will see you in the next one.